Look at that lawn. Brown, patchy, thirsty. Honestly, mine looked exactly the same. Until about 3 years ago, when I asked myself one question. What if this space actually worked for me? That right there, that's kale I planted in March. Those sunflowers? Up in 60 days. And this? This is lunch. Your front yard gets the best sun on your whole property. It sits right where your neighbors walk by, where your kids play, where your community actually is. And most of us, we're spending weekends pushing a mower over it, paying for water, growing nothing. I'm Sunny Ray, and this is the Front Yard Revolution. Over the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn that thirsty patch of brown into the most productive square footage in your neighborhood. 1 raised bed, 3 crops, 0 excuses. Let's get into it. Here's what nobody talks about. Your backyard? Hidden. Private. Nobody sees it. Your front yard? Every person in your neighborhood walks past it. Every single day. Think about that for a second. This isn't just food, it's a conversation. It's a relationship with your block that most people never even consider. And look, front yards get more sun than backyards in most neighborhoods. Unobstructed. South-facing. The growing conditions are genuinely better out here. That's a Cherokee purple. Went in the ground 8 weeks ago. When I started this garden, my neighbor Dave, he used to just wave and keep walking. Now he stops. Every time. Because things are growing out here and he wants to know how. That's the front yard effect. It doesn't just feed you, it opens up your street. Some people worry about what the neighbors will think. Honestly, they're going to want in. The sun is there, the space is there, the community is already there. They're just waiting for a reason to stop. If you want to be there when episode 2 drops, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Liked what you saw? Leave a like. Share this with someone who needs something to grow. And drop me a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to plant? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.